I do understand totally that bus drivers are under immense pressure from their bosses to keep on time. And generally I find bus drivers in my area to do a really good job. However, this guy falls well below standards. First thing to notice is the 20 miles an hour limit up ahead. The bus has finished dropping off or picking up and rejoins the road behind us. And just because I'm driving a driving school car and I'm doing the speed limit, he does this. Have a look how close his next bus stop is. Would he have acted in that way if I was a police car? Actions like this can really put off a learner driver. This fella's a disgrace.